everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be creating a bag. This is a customized bag requested by my daughter. She requested a little bag that she can use to put her phone in, her keys, her cards, you know, just a little something, so that she can go to the store instead of just bringing a big bag with her. So she requested 3 colors: this coffee color, this turmeric yellow color, and this beige color. She also requested that I added some gold cord in the bag as well. So I'm using a 5mm hook. I have my little snippers for snipping the yarn when I'm changing over. And I have fabric tape that I use, and I'll show you how I use that when I get ready to change over colors. So I'm going to start out with my slip knot. We're making a slip knot. And I'm going to chain 29. Five, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 'cause I'm using a smaller hook. So that's 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and that is it for my chain. So now that I have my chain for 29, I'm going to turn it over and I'm going to work in the little back bump. So I'm going to go into that back bump, and I went into the second one from the chain, and I pull up a loop, and I'm just going to do single crochets all the way around. And so once I do my single crochets and I get to the end, I'll be back. Okay, so I made it to the end, as you can see, and it looks like this. So now that I made it to the end, I'm about to go around. So that's what the basic foundation of this bag will be. I am working in rounds, so I'm basically just doing single crochets in each stitch all the way around, and that's basically the whole bag itself for when I get ready to switch over colors. So I'm gonna go ahead and start doing my rounds, And when I get ready to switch up colors and I use the fabric tape, then I will come back. So I'll see you guys back when I get ready to switch colors. So I'm back. I decided to come back and show you guys what it looked like after that second round of going around. So this is what it looks like at the end of the second round. So I'm about to just continue to go around, and like I said, I'll come back when I'm right before I'm about to switch colors, so that I can show you how I change the colors using the fabric tape. See you guys in a few minutes. So I am back. So I'm about to change colors. I'm going into my second color. This is how the bag is looking. You see, it sort of resembles like a boat. So I'm about to change over colors, and this is where I'm going to show you how to use fabric tape to change your colors instead of using a knot, cutting and using a knot and attaching the second yarn. So I'm going to cut my yarn. Second yarn here, and I have my fabric tape, and what I'm going to do is cut a piece of fabric tape, I usually cut like a little square, and you want to fold it over a little bit and pinch it to try to get it loose. That's your tape, and you can apply it either to the first one or the second one. It doesn't matter, but just apply it to one of the yarns, and then you're gonna attach the other yarn. Like that. Okay, just like that, and so you're ready to go with the second yarn. So I'm going to start crocheting with the second yarn added in. This bag is actually 9 inches. It's going to be 9 inches by 10.75 inches. So all in total, it's going to be 21 rounds. So I'm using 3 colors. So that means that is 7 rounds of each color. So I'm going to do my second round, and then I'll come back and show you how it looks, and then I'll go from there, switch over and do my my third yarn, and then we'll go from there. So I'll see you guys when I finish my second color. So I'm back. I finished the second color. I'm about to go into the last color. So I have already, as you can see, I've already cut my yarn. I'm adding my fabric tape, and now I'm adding the other piece of yarn on top, and now I am ready to start the last color. Once I'm done with the last color, I have to slip stitch all the way around on that top, on the 7th row, and I'll come back after that. Okay, everyone, I am back. As you can see, it's another day. In fact, it's three days later. So I went ahead and finished the bag off camera. I was supposed to come back and show the bag after I slip stitched the top around the top. But I couldn't insert that footage because my grandbaby was watching Disney and they were singing, so I didn't want to get copyrighted with that. But anyway, so here is the bag. It's finished. That is the bag. This is the handle. I actually made a little flower to put on it. My logo is right there at the bottom. This one is lined with just the canvas bag, and I have a logo in the inside. So yeah, it came out really, really nice. Beautiful. Real beautiful. So if you like this video, if you like what you've seen in the video, like, comment, let me know that you like it. Give me other suggestions for a bag, and I think that's gonna be it for this video. So why don't you take the time to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so that you can be notified of any and all videos that I post. So I see you all in the next video. Bye.